All right, guys. So look what I got. It's a trophy, HPI trophy, 1A scale nitro stadium truck. Uh, it has they say it has the Savage motor in it. Okay. All right. So let's unbox it. Okay. So here it is. That was quick. All right. So here what we got? We got the remote. All right. Hold on. Boom. Same remote as the HPI Savage F4.6 has. Okay. Same thing. This antenna goes up and down. Here's the on and off switch. Um, channel 3. I'm assuming this is for like reverse or whatever. I don't know. Bind, steering, throttle, uh, direction. Yeah. And then these are to set the endpoints, I believe. Yeah. Several endpoints adjustment. Okay, guys, I'm just going by knowledge. I ain't even reading. This side is blank. Okay, 4 batteries. All right, let's put this to the side. So here we have it. Boom. Okay. Up to what I can compare this? Maybe a 6S Creighton. All right. Look at them wheels. They shine. It says HPI Racing branded on there. I'm about to check these. Okay. Now let's take this plastic off. Well, we gotta take these off. Look at these pins. These pins has that angle. I really, really like that. It makes it so easy to remove them. Yeah, this was too hard. All right. Take these things. Oh, it has washers. First time I see something like that. Here is the body. Sorry about that. Okay. All right. So the body feels harder than our armor body. It's pretty good. All right. I like this red and black. It shines. Like it's not just flat red. It has this it's kind of like a clear coat, as if it was a sticker or something. Okay. Look at that smiley face. All right. Whatever that is, it looks pretty cool. Only thing I don't like is those 2 notches right there. You know, I think they should have left the front flat. But hey, main attraction. So as usual, you know me, from front to back. Okay, you got the bumper. All right, you got the fake 2 headlamps. I wish they were real so you can mount something there. Nothing that a hacksaw can fix and throw something on there. All right, look at these shocks. Those shocks are way too lean. Okay, I'm thinking like 45 or past 45 down. Okay, get the pinch right here, aluminum metal. Okay, this has a little bit of play, but that's what it is. Okay, one more to the back. See the whole steering system work. Okay, this is pretty wide. As of now, I've never seen something this wide, but this is pretty wide or long, if you will. Okay, metal brace here for the steering mechanism. Okay, you got from top to center brace. That looks like it can be adjustable, but obviously it's fixed, so you cannot adjust it, or you can adjust it just to fix the length that it needs to be. All right, that is kind of weird because it's more like a pillow ball kind of setting. All right, steering servo, really easy to replace or work on. All you got to take these 4 screws right here, boom, and you out. All right, same with this one. Okay, throttle slash brake. Okay, this one has a center diff. I'm gonna have to do something about it. So yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, so I'm gonna throw in a 20 million weight oil or plastic tape. All right, let's continue to the other side. We got a fuel tank. Okay, it has all the warning labels and all that good stuff. Okay, pause the video and read. Blank on the other side, throw that away. All right, so we got the high-speed needle. I guess set to flush, factory setting. Okay, this line goes all the way around and around, all the way to there. Okay, and then we got this one. I guess is the pressure uh, tube all the way over here. Okay, I like the setup. Going further back, this is the receiver box. Let's see what we have in there. Oh, look at that. I thought it was just a regular cap. It has on it on a swivel. Okay, so this is that. I'll be using the HPI supply battery. They did supply this. I missed it on the beginning of the video, but they supplied 4 for the remote and 4 for the car. And that's how I'll be running in a little bit. Okay. The receiver, it's I think it's a 3-channel receiver, but I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna be using this remote right here, a 6-channel. Okay. Google it, Amazon it, eBay it. It's real cheap. I think it's like $60 with the receiver. 6-channel. Guy, I really recommend this remote over anything else. I'll just put this back, put this to the side. Okay. Check this out. This thing has a little bit of play, but we'll see how it's gonna handle. Okay. The body post is adjustable. Nice to know that. Because I don't have the body too low to the car. I like it to look like an Outcast, kind of like a muscle truck. Okay. No wheelie bars. Nice bumper. Big bumper. Okay. Okay. Now here in the back, we have the horizontal shock mounts. Okay, these shocks are too leaning. It leans too much. Okay. I thought the grain was an insult, but this, damn. Real steep. Okay, going over here, we got the other brace. Now this brace is aluminum, it's pretty thick. It's not just a single bar, kind of like the armor. It's the whole thing, all right? It gets screwed down there. And then over here as well, right there, okay. That I really like. I like the way it's mounted over here. Okay. All right. Let's see what else. Now we're going around the truck. Now we got the F.6 motor here. Okay. Read the most yourself. Pause the video. Read what it says. Take that off. Boom. It's a pull start. I'm gonna be getting rid of that. I'm gonna buy the rotor start back plate because it's easier. I don't want to be doing like boom, boom, boom. It just, I don't know. That's not my thing. Here is the pipe, all blacked out, spray painted. I believe it had to be spray painted, and that's about it. Secured over here. It has a little bit of play. Just as much flex as this is allowed. I like it. This truggy is so low on the floor. Look, my 2 finger can barely fit in there. It's so low. All right, now let's put the body on. So there it is, guys. What you think? Okay. Before I shut this off, I'm gonna show you what's inside this bag. Here it is. HPI. Supply batteries. One for you, one for you. Okay, we got tools here. Now this, I do not know what this is for. I will definitely find out. If you don't know, if y'all guys know what it is, please do me a favor and let it in the comment section. All right. We got the air filter. Okay. Now I've been intrigued by these. I don't know if this is now this year 2021, and let's say for like the last 5, 10 years or whatever. Do we really need these? I mean, like, obviously we do, but what if I could throw like a air filter, like a EGR filter from an actual vehicle? Can I do that? Because this supposedly got a lubricant and all that, and I'm an electric type of guy. So, all right. These are the ones for the servos. Okay, I'm assuming steering and then throttle brake. Okay, you saw different kind of servos. This is for 24, 23 teeth. I'm assuming that the one is installed to 25. Same with these. And these are for your shock adjustments. Really? Let me check something out. So apparently, these shocks, they're not threaded. So, look guys. So you will have to use, maybe it's a thing, I don't know. You're gonna have to use these. These I've seen them on the cheap shocks. I don't want to say cheap shocks, but they come on a 4S Creighton. The 3S is Armor lineups. Some low-end Traxxas vehicles. First time I've seen it on the HPI. You know what I'm saying. So yeah, I will be installing some of those because I don't like this truck too damn close to the floor, really. So I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, comment everything y'all want to write. Okay, I'm gonna be posting all these products down so you can get the link. Okay. All right. Peace.